In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple email in Zoho Mail. If you've ever wanted to manage all your inboxes from one place, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to bring external email accounts into Zoho Mail so you can read and reply without switching tabs. We'll move at a steady pace and keep things simple. Start by heading to mail.zoho.com in your browser and make sure you're in your Zoho Mail inbox. Once you're in, look to the top right and click the gear icon. That opens your settings panel where all the account connection options live. In the settings page, scroll down until you find Mail Accounts. This is the section where you add and manage external inboxes that Zoho will fetch for you. Click into Mail Accounts, then select the plus icon to add a new account. Think of this as telling Zoho, I want to see mail from another address here too. Next, you'll be asked to choose the account type. You'll see POP3 and IMAP. IMAP synchronizes folders and reads states across devices, while POP3 downloads messages into Zoho. For this setup, we're going to choose POP3 since that's what these steps are guiding us through. Click POP3 to continue. You'll now see provider options. Zoho makes it easy by offering shortcuts for common services like Outlook, Office 365, Zoho, others, and Google. Picking the one that matches your provider helps autofill many technical details behind the scenes. If your email provider isn't listed, choose Others so you can proceed with standard settings. When prompted, enter the email address you want to add. Make sure it's the exact address for the mailbox you want to bring into Zoho. This is what Zoho will use to fetch incoming mail for that account. After entering the address, click Authenticate. Zoho will verify the details and, when supported by the provider you selected, guide you through a secure sign-in or permission screen. This is normal and ensures Zoho can safely retrieve your messages. Once authentication completes, Zoho will start pulling emails from that account into your inbox. You'll typically see messages appear under the connected account, which makes it easier to tell where each message came from. That's the full flow for adding one external email. To add multiple addresses, just repeat these same steps for each additional account you want to manage in Zoho Mail. Using the provider tiles helps speed things up each time, and choosing POP3 keeps everything neatly collected inside Zoho without changing your original mailbox. And that's it. You've learned how to add multiple email in Zoho Mail and centralize your inboxes for a smoother, more organized workflow.